Hello and welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In this video we're going to show you how to use CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is the largest VPN provider, offering access to almost 7,000 servers in 90 countries worldwide, great speeds and even a zero logging policy. Despite its popularity, many people still don't know how to use CyberGhost VPN, which is why we decided to make this video. If you're interested in how to use CyberGhost VPN on Windows, this is the video for you. But rest assured, all other apps that CyberGhost VPN offers are pretty much the same regardless of your selected platform. So, without further ado, let's see how to use CyberGhost VPN and take advantage of its features and servers. First off, let's see how to connect to any of the servers that CyberGhost offers. To do so, you need to click on the country you want. So for example, let it be India. You click on India and use this connection button to establish a connection. CyberGhost now established a connection to the fastest possible server in this country. To disconnect, you want to click here, and of course, there's another method to connect to the server you want, and that is to double click on the country you want. So for example, let's say we want to get an Italian IP address, so what we need to do is double click on Italy, and as you can see, CyberGhost establishes a connection, giving us an Italian IP address. To disconnect, of course, once again, click here. What we like about CyberGhost is that it offers dedicated servers for streaming and torrenting, and you can easily find them right here. There are torrenting and streaming servers, but also no spy servers and dedicated IP feature, which is a bonus feature that you need to pay for additionally. For now, let's focus on torrenting and streaming servers. So, what if you want to download torrents and enjoy P2P file sharing? Well, in that case, you want to use one of these servers right here. So, for example, to connect to any of the servers, you know what to do. You just double click on server or click once on the server you want and then click on the connection button to establish a connection. As you can see, it works flawlessly. So now let's disconnect. If you want to unblock different streaming platforms, you want to use servers for streaming. And as you can see, CyberGhost offers servers for Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, HBO Now, YouTube, Crunchyroll and many other streaming platforms. But now the question is how to access other options and features that CyberGhost offers. First off, you can click on connection features, and as you can see, CyberGhost offers a reliable ad blocker. You can enable it right here, and then you can block malicious website, which you can enable right here. Then, as you can see, CyberGhost offers a few options: block online tracking, automated HTTPS redirect, and data compression. You can turn these options on and off as you want. If we click on smart roles, we can see several options right here, but the interesting one is called exceptions. Exceptions is basically CyberGhost's version of split tunneling, which lets you include or exclude certain websites from using a VPN tunnel. So for example, if you click here to enable it, you can choose which website needs to use a VPN tunnel and which site will use your native IP address. App protection is yet another interesting feature that makes CyberGhost automatically connect to a specific location when opening a particular app. So if you want to enable this option, you'll click here and then add the application you want. To access more settings, you need to click on settings right here, and as you can see, CyberGhost offers more settings. What we like here is the ability to change the appearance, and as you can see, you can enable dark and light theme. However, a more interesting option is to enable or disable automatic kill switch. A kill switch is here to disable your internet connection if the VPN connection drops to protect your online identity. Interestingly, CyberGhost doesn't allow you to disable this feature. Take a look. As you can see, this feature cannot be deactivated. Last but not least, we have connection settings, and here you can choose your VPN protocol and turn on and off IP and DNS leak protection. Here, CyberGhost offers you to change the protocol, and as you can see, you can choose from OpenVPN and IKEv2. We recommend keeping this setting at automatic selection because CyberGhost will automatically decide which protocol is needed for a particular scenario. If you're using CyberGhost on macOS or Android, you'll be able to use WireGuard as well. So, with everything we said, this is basically everything you need to know about how to use CyberGhost VPN. Before we wrap up our video about how to use CyberGhost VPN, we need to mention one more thing, and that is that CyberGhost is a premium VPN provider, so it's not free. But you should know that we're talking about a premium VPN which outperforms any free VPN you can think of. CyberGhost offers very decent speeds, almost 7,000 servers, 24/7 live customer support, up to 7 simultaneous connections, and support for pretty much every major platform. So now the question is CyberGhost worth the money? Well, it actually is, especially since it offers an 83% discount and 3 months free on top of a 3-year plan, plus a 45-day money-back guarantee, which lets you use CyberGhost risk-free for 45 days. And then, if you don't like it or you just don't need it anymore, simply contact customer support and request a refund, and they'll give you a full reimbursement within just a few hours. So, how to get this deal? Well, in case you're interested, you can easily get this deal by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or just click on the link in the description below. So, that was all for our video about how to use CyberGhost VPN. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us, because many more VPN related videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye!